In this video, I'll show you how to change currency in the PayPal mobile app. So press on the three lines in the top left and scroll down to the very bottom to find the help center, which is usually a question mark icon. Press on that and we're going to tap on the search bar and type in the word currency, and then tap on the first link, how do I convert my money to another currency in PayPal. And then you'll see the wallet is linked, so tap on go to wallet. Once the wallet loads, you want to tap on PayPal balance, and then from here you can simply tap add a currency and choose whatever currency you want to add. We'll select the euro, press add a currency. You added the euro, so if you want to make that your primary currency, you simply tap on the three dots to the right of the euro and then select make primary, set as primary. So that's how to change currency in the PayPal mobile app. Thank you for watching.